Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. Petitioner has challenged the order dated 20th July 2020. Annexure P18 passed by the Additional Chief Secretary Government of Haryana. Urban Local Bodies Department Respondent number 2, removing her from the post of President of Municipal Committee Punhana District New, exercising the powers under Section 22 of the Haryana Municipal Act 1973, hereinafter referred to as 1973 Act, being illegal, void, without jurisdiction, unjust, and arbitrary. Stop. Petitioner was elected president of Municipal Committee Punhana District Nuh in the year 2016. Stop. She had been performing her duties sincerely and honestly. Stop. An announcement number 10,758 was made by the Chief Minister Haryana on 3rd December 2015 relating to carrying out the development works of the municipal committee. Stop. In pursuance thereto, a resolution was passed by the municipal committee Punhana on 16th March 2016, Annexure P3, that the Rasta passage along with Bank of UP Canal passing through ward numbers 2, 9 and 15 be made pakka by laying interlocking tile. Stop. This pakka rasta passage along the bank of UP Canal is in existence prior to the partition and is now a dry, abandoned canal with no vegetation and is out of use for the last about 40 years. Stop. It lies within the limits of Municipal Committee Punhana, but as per the revenue records, that is Jamabandi, for the year 2012-13, ownership of UP government is recorded over Khasra numbers 52 to 54. Stop. It is asserted that since the land on which the proposed work for laying the interlocking tiles was to be carried out was shown in the revenue record as ownership of UP government, the secretary and municipal engineer, Municipal Committee Punhana wrote to Jiledar, Upper Division, Agra Canal, Palwal, to take the formal approval from the authorities of the state of Uttar Pradesh. Stop. A communication dated 4th April 2016, Annexure P5 was received from the Jiladar, which indicated that the UP government did not have any objection. Stop. Estimates were prepared, which was duly sent to the competent authority, and after getting the technical and other sanction from the Chief Engineer Department of Urban Local Bodies Haryana, the work was carried out by the Municipal Committee Punhana. Stop. The relevant documents with regard to the grant of sanction have been appended as Annexure P4. Requisite permissions were thus sought by the Municipal Committee from the Director of Technical and Administrative Branch of the Department of Local Bodies. Stop. Haryana. Stop. This exercise was carried out prior to the taxation of the work stock. After a period of almost 2 years, a complaint was submitted to the Chief Minister Haryana by councillors, members of Municipal Committee dated 26th March 2018, Annexure P6, against the petitioner and the other officials of the Municipal Committee with primarily 3 allegations made herein stood.